You're watching how Leap Let's Fix Lag in CapCut. First, close all other apps running in the background to free up your phone's memory and processing power. Next, check for updates. Open your App Store, search for CapCut, and install any available updates. Then, clear the app's cache on Android. Go to your phone's settings, tap Apps, find CapCut, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings, General, iPhone Storage, tap CapCut, then offload app and reinstall it. Reduce the project complexity. Using too many high-resolution clips, layers, or complex effects can cause lag. Try lowering the preview resolution within CapCut settings. Also, ensure your phone has sufficient storage space. Finally, restart your phone to clear temporary system issues. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.